Here are 5 things you didn't know about the victims of Pompeii's eruption. First, these people weren't killed by flowing lava like most think. They died from superheated gas clouds reaching 1,000 degrees Celsius that killed them instantly. Second, the extreme heat was so intense it literally turned victims' brains into glass. Scientists discovered this when examining preserved skulls decades later. Third, many victims were found exactly as they died, including one man discovered in a compromising position while pleasuring himself. The ash preserved everything in perfect detail. Fourth, archaeologists found a gladiator still chained in his underground cell. When the wealthy fled the city, they abandoned their slaves and prisoners to die. Fifth, the most shocking discovery was a pregnant woman whose unborn baby's bones were found expelled from her body. The intense heat and pressure during death forced the fetus out in a horrific final moment. Pompeii shows us death doesn't wait for anyone.